Nothing to it.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Nothing to It. I'm your host, the Tool It Guy, and today we're going to be diving deep into your duffel bag to clean your hockey gear and get rid of those foul-smelling odors. So before we get into what can go into your washer, let's go over what you don't want to put in there. Starting with your helmet and mouth guard. These things you are not going to throw into your washer. If you do need to clean it, what I suggest you do, flip it over, get a little spray bottle, mild soap and water, or any type of chemical that you'd like to use, Febreze. Just make sure it's a product that doesn't affect your skin, and you simply just spray it on the inside where all this foam protection is. Simply take a rag, wipe it clean, spots where they would sweat, like on the headband area. Once you've done that, you can set your helmet aside, move on to the next item. The next item that you're not going to throw into the washer is your skate. But if you do find that there's a foul smell in your skate, I like to use Gold Bond. It seems to be some sort of deodorizer that works. I also, again, recommend a product that is good for your skin, doesn't cause any reactions. If you must clean something from the skate, take your skate guard off. If it's a fabric one, you can throw the fabric one into the washer. That's fine. You can put it back on after. Also, if you need to, again, Febreze, or if there's an insole that pulls out, you can pull that out, deodorize that as well, put it back in later on when it's dry, put some powder inside your skate as well. That helps keep things clean and fresh as well. Another item that I recommend you not put in is the jock cup. If it's in the shorts, please remember to take it out of the shorts before throwing it into your washer. Again, same idea. You can spray it clean, use a cloth, wipe it down, put it back in when your shorts or pants or your one-piece suit is clean. Moving on to an item that I don't like necessarily putting in my washing machine just because it has a few hard plastic surfaces on it. But you can, in fact, put your shin pads into the washing machine. They have fabric on the inside, of course. What I recommend doing with this, taking your Velcro, if there's Velcro on it. I like to attach it so the Velcro doesn't get stuck on any of the other items. And if you can, I buy these little mesh, they look like miniature soccer ball bags. You can put your shin pads inside one of these, seal it up, pull the drawstring tight, then you can put that in your washing machine as is, and that helps protect the plastic, just like a little barrier in between, from bouncing around too much and sort of deadening the noise. You're still going to hear it, but at least it'll help. In the event that you choose not to go that route, again, you spread it open. You can spray it down with some mild soap and water or the cleaning product of your choice. Wipe it down and hang it up somewhere to dry. So, before putting anything into the washer, we're going to talk about the Velcro on all your gear. Velcro is famous for hooking onto everything and anything inside that machine. So what I recommend is just putting your hockey gear in there, and at most, if you don't have a full load, you can put in some snow pants or some winter jackets, maybe something else that has like a Velcro related item. I don't recommend putting in like your bras or your underwear or delicate spandex pants, because the Velcro will hook on it and kind of like fray all the threading and stuff like that. It just kind of damages things that you probably don't want damaged. So just Keep in mind that in order to prevent that, you take the rough edge of your Velcro and I attach it to a part of the hockey gear, covering that entire rough edge as much as possible. This helps prevent the Velcro from sticking to other fabrics. It's still going to, but you're going to greatly minimize what it will get hooked on and tangling up and just kind of causing your stuff not to wash properly or even dry properly if it gets tangled up and just all knotted up in the machines. When it comes to like the shoulder pad area of your chest protectors, you don't have to wrap them all the way around and stretch out the elastic part. You can simply just twist it over 180 and press it against the Velcro on the opposite side. Do that for every single item that has Velcro on your hockey gear. All right, let's get to the good part. The things that you can throw into your washing machine. Starting with the head. If you have a daughter like I do, you might have some of these like sweat headbands that they use to keep sweat from dripping into their face or to keep their hair tied back a little bit. You can throw that inside the washer. Also, sometimes girls like to wear these little skull cap type bandana things. They also help keep the hair out of their face. Again, nice little fabric material. Toss it in. Neck guards. Toss it in. Shirts that they like to wear underneath their hockey gear. You can toss that in. Shorts. Same idea. With the cup removed. Whip. Toss it in. You can also throw in the leggings if they have it for the bottom part of their gear that they like to wear underneath their hockey pants. Also, if it's a full one-piece body outfit, again, close all the Velcro on it. Toss that into your washing machine as well. I don't have one for my kids. They just seem to like using their shirt and shorts. But if you have it, go ahead and put it in. Moving on, elbow pads. Velcro closed off. Toss it in. Gloves. Also, toss them in. Chest protector. Again, with all the Velcro sealed off. Toss it in. Hockey pants. Toss it in. As we spoke about earlier, the shin pads, which I have put inside a mesh bag. Put it in. When it comes to the hockey jerseys, this one is just a practice jersey. I'm going to throw it in. I know they don't recommend that you put them in just because of shrinkage. Supposedly damages the material of the jersey. Personally, I do it all the time, but if you want to wash it and then hang dry it after, you can do so as well. Hockey socks. This is one that both my kids seem to have a lot of because there is away socks, home socks. You're going to have all kinds of them. Just toss them in. Whip, whip, whip. Just toss it all in. And more socks. Whip, 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 whip. Now that everything's in the washer and ready to go, you can put in the detergent of your choice. Once again, use something that is good for you and your family against allergens, something that doesn't react with your skin. I just use some typical softeners and easy on the skin detergents such as these. Once you get that option settled away, you can begin your wash cycle. Once your bags are emptied, you can take this opportunity to actually open up all these zipper compartments wherever on a stand-up bag or a floor bag, duffel bag, I mean. Open up these zipper pockets, open the top up, and you can actually take this time to spray, clean, disinfect, whatever you need to do to clean these hockey gear bags so that they don't have any lingering odors as well while all your stuff is in the washer and dryer. Now that you've done your wash cycle, you can take everything that I told you you could put into your washer into the dryer, including your jersey. If you don't want to do that, you can feel free to hang that up on a drying rack or a clothesline or whatever it is you want that doesn't require the drying machine, including the shin pads that are in that little soccer sack that we talked about earlier. Couple options I have for drying things for your hockey gear if you don't want to use the dryer are these over the door fabric straps with hooks. I have one in my hand right here. You simply take the hook, hang it up over top of your door. You can hang your hockey gear on all these individual hooks if you can. I have two just because I have two kids that are in hockey, and sometimes you just need to quickly hang it up for the night before a tournament, or if you're at a tournament, you can hang it up in your locker room on the hook, and it holds a lot more than just a couple things. Another option I have is over here. It's one of those hang your gear hangers. It's got a whole bunch of straps with clips on it. Simply just press the clip, opens it up. You can attach your hockey gear into it like that and just hang as much stuff on it as possible. This is good for hotel rooms. This literally hangs on the shower hook in a hotel room when we've gone to away tournaments. It even works out for hanging it up in the locker room if your team gets the locker room for the day. That concludes today's episode on how to clean your hockey gear. If you enjoyed watching this episode, please like, subscribe, and always remember, there's nothing to it.